Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. I'm gonna also show you how you can set up the Google Assistant on the power button on the right side. So let's start by checking if we actually have the Assistant installed on your device. Sometimes the Assistant can be installed after a short while after the initial configuration. If that is not the case, then you can of course go to the Play Store and then you can search for the Assistant, and of course you want to install the Google Assistant. Now if you open it, then of course you will just open the Assistant, and that's completely fine. If that's all you need, then that's the work done. All you need to do is download the app, and then you can search it in the app drawer and then press the app in order to trigger the Google Assistant. Now in addition to that, you might also need to enable it in the Google settings. So we can open the settings, scroll all the way down, and over here, actually not all the way down, we need to go to Google, so almost all the way down to find Google. And then we need to switch to all services, go to settings for Google apps, and then over here go to search assistant and voice, and over here go to Google Assistant, and you need to scroll down in order to find general, and over here you can simply enable and disable the Google Assistant completely. So if you turn it off, then you will not have the Google Assistant at all, and you can turn it on. Now in addition to that, we can also set the Google Assistant as the main app for digital assistants, and in order to do that we need to go to apps in the settings over here, then go to Samsung app settings, sorry, not Samsung app settings, choose default apps over here, and here we have digital assistant app, and then we can press this gear icon, sorry, just tap on the name actually, and here you will have probably Bixby voice selected, but you can switch to Google instead. But that doesn't help if you want to use the power button in order to open the Google Assistant instead of Bixby. So in order to do that, it is a little bit more complicated, and we need to go back to the Play Store and we need to download an app that is called Good Lock. There we go. And it seems that I don't have this app available in the Play Store. This is possible, but it is not over yet. We can simply exit the Play Store and we want to open the Samsung Store instead. So we can open this app over here. This works similar way to the Play Store. And in the Galaxy Store, we can search for Good Lock. And this is the one that we are looking for. So we want to download this app over here. We want to install it. And now let's wait a couple of seconds in order to download and install the app. There we go. Now we're gonna press open. There we go. And let's wait a couple of seconds. And then once you open this app, you want to switch to Life App at the bottom. And over here we want to scroll down until we find Routines Plus, and we want to press this download button in order to download additional options for the routines. Then we will use your routines in order to create a shortcut. Alright, and now once this is downloaded, we can close all. And we're gonna go back to the settings. So let's reopen the settings, and this time, before we can actually do more, before we advance to the routines, we need to go to advanced features first, open the side button options, and make sure that the power off menu is selected instead of wake Bixby. So by doing so, if you press and hold the power button, then you will not wake up Bixby, but you will open the power menu. But of course this is not all. Now once we have this option selected, then we can go back to the settings and let's go to modes and routines. Over here, switch to routines at the bottom of the screen, press this plus button here in the top right corner, and where you have if, press this option in order to create a trigger. And over here we need to scroll down to find button action. In my case, it is at the bottom of this list. It is also in the routines plus section, so this is how you can recognize this is the one. So let's press button action, and over here we need to select side key over here. And then we have the interaction, so we want to press and hold, and then let's press done. Now over here we have then, so let's go to then, and here we want to select an app, so let's go to apps, and then we have open an app or do an app action. So let's go over here and we want to use Open Assistant and then press done. Then we want to save the routine. Of course we can change the name for the routine. I'm gonna actually name it Google Assistant. There we go. I'm gonna make it red as well, and I don't think I want to be bothered with the icon, so that's all. So now we can press done. There we go, Google Assistant saved. Now let's give it a try. Let's see if it works. So I'm gonna press and hold the side button or the power button, And there we go. As you can see, we have the Google Assistant working. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.